the theme of the morning. Strong winds brought down trees and power lines across the state last night.
Yeah, at peak, about 30,000 utility customers were without their power. Right now, there are about 213 outages. That's kind of changed throughout the morning. Ray Brewer joins us live outside Eversource Energy in Manchester right now. And Ray, despite the progress, those gusting winds are making it challenging for the crews to turn those lights back on, right?
They are making it challenging, Aaron, in addition to creating some new outages. Eversource tells us that when the winds are sustained over 30 miles per hour, well, they can't put their crews up in the bucket trucks. It's simply too dangerous. Now, besides causing power outages, the strong winds caused other damage across the state. As the winds got stronger, the problems started piling up Tuesday evening. On Silver Street in Manchester, the winds blew off a large section of the roof of an old mill that's now home to condos. A local user sent us this picture of the damage. The building was not evacuated, but Silver Street was closed over fears that more of the roof could follow. All over the state, the winds blew over trees, leading to power outages. This one blocked traffic on Joppa Street in Merrimack. And this big branch came down at the intersection of Sandown and Chester Roads in Fremont, taking a utility line with it. Another tree came down near Henry Bridge Road and Greer Road in Goffstown. You can see the trunk hanging on the power lines. In Claremont, wind brought down part of the facade of a building. Firefighters inspected the building on Dickinson Block to make sure the brickwork was secure. That building did not need to be evacuated, and no one was hurt. The wind gusts on Mount Washington were incredibly powerful. The strongest one came in at 124 miles per hour around 6 o'clock. Observers there even collected some debris from trees and shrubs, which is especially noteworthy because the observatory is above the tree line. These wind gusts are expected to continue throughout the day, and that could mean some more scattered outages. For instance, at one point we were down to just about 28 outages across the entire state. Now that number is back over 200. Reporting live in Manchester, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.